All right, what's the best way to shift with or without the clutch? It's the age-old question. I want to show you my tips for which way is best and what I use, and maybe some other stuff. First, I just want to show you the differences between the two on shifting with and without the clutch. So the first one, I'll do it with the clutch. So I'm in first gear, I'll accelerate, and the proper way to do it for a beginner is letting off the throttle, pulling in the clutch, and then shifting up, and then letting out the clutch, and then getting back on the throttle. Obviously, that was really slow, so it's going to be a lot faster than that. I'll do it quicker now. So in second gear, shift up to third. Now I'm going to show you how to shift without the clutch, and it's almost the same. Start accelerating in first gear, let off the throttle, shift up, and then get back on the throttle. So, what's the best way to shift? Honestly, the answer is yes. Shifting with the clutch is going to be a little bit smoother generally. Whenever I'm like under a heavy load going uphill, I sometimes use the clutch to shift up just because it's a little bit smoother, it's a little bit more consistent. Depending on your bike, some bikes have clunky transmissions, so definitely shifting with the clutch is smoother than shifting without. I actually shift without it most of the time, and as long as you're letting off the throttle, so taking the load off the engine, it's not going to hurt anything. I've been doing it for decades, never had a problem, and the more you practice it, the quicker you get. Let me go through the gears, all 6 gears, shifting with and without the clutch. So which way is faster to shift? First, I'll do it with the clutch. Now, I'll do it without the clutch and see if you think it's any faster. I'm Kelly Fager, and those are my quick tips for properly shifting. And if you're a newer rider and want to go more in depth on how to ride, go to motocrosshideout.com to get free tips sent to your email. Learn more, ride more.